Good day, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. And this time we are going to check on the menus and features that is loaded into this wearable. The first video, we do have the unboxing and checking its specs and design. This time we are going to focus on the menus and features. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. As you can see here, we already activated the wearable, so now we are going to check on its menus. Okay, so operating the wearable. Okay, so swiping from top to bottom, we do have the notification function here. Okay, you can read the messages. Okay, from left to right, we have the settings. Okay, so flashlight, I think this one is alarm. Okay, let's activate it again. Okay, alarm or timer. You have the settings here. Vibration, do not disturb mode, I think this one. For this one, okay, we do have the settings. Okay, so let's adjust first the brightness here. As you can see, too much brightness, I think. Okay, let's also adjust the auto lock here. Let's go for 5 minutes. Okay, okay, so that's it. Okay, from right to left we have, okay, so this one, the different menus here. That is, of course, with the aid of your Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, for the menus, I think it is on the bottom part. Okay, so we have here the sports function. Okay, we have outdoor running, walking, freestyle. What else? We do have hiking, outdoor, treadmill, jump rope, pool, and more here. So we have water sports, dance, ball sports, winter sports, and other functions here. So it has a lot of sports here. Okay, going back to the main menu here, for example, walking. Okay, so it is locating for our GPS. Okay, you can start it right away if you don't want the GPS to wait for the GPS. Okay, so we have kilometers here. Okay, heart rate. What else? The steps. Okay, workout distance too short to record. And okay, we also do have a freestyle here. Okay, outdoor cycling and treadmill. Okay, going back this one, so this is your overall activity here. We do have calories here, automatic activity tracking for this one, calorie steps. Okay, we have some graphs here. Going back, also have, I think this one, it focus on running. Okay, advanced walk, basic. Okay, what else here? Intervals, endurance. So we have a lot of data here for your fitness activity. We do have the heart rate. Okay, so it automatically detects. Okay, as you can see here, tighten band strap and try again. So it detects whether you have or you are wearing the heart or the smart band or not. Okay, if you're not wearing the smart band, it will not try to scan or monitor your heart rate. We also have, what's this one? Blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so let's try if it's similar to heart rate. Okay, as you can see, it is pretty similar to heart rate. that it monitors or detects first whether you are wearing it or not. Okay, we have, what's this one? The sleep monitoring. Okay, we have the stress. Okay, measure, let's see. Okay, so similar to heart rate, so it works. I think they have a good sensor here. Okay, so this one we have breathing guide. Okay, so this one, I think this, maybe this is a physiological cycle or physiological female monitoring. Okay, so this one, connect your band with the app. Okay, we'll explore more with this. Okay, this is for the weather. You need to be connected to your support app to be able to see the current weather here. So this one, the cards, also in the support app. Turn on events in the app, so somewhat like an alarm or notification reminder. We have music control. This one is a remote photo control. We have an alarm here. This one, I think it is focus. Okay, focus time and rest time. Okay, another health function here. We have the timer. Okay, stopwatch. How about this one? Okay, so this is the timer. There are already predefined times here. Okay, or you can set your own on the custom part. We have a flashlight, I think. Okay, we do have a find phone, anti-lost, both for phone, and the Smartband we have here. I think this is the Alipay. We do have support for user manual, I think, or help, and we have the settings. Okay, for the settings we have preloaded watch faces here. Okay, let's scroll. Okay, so these are analog watch faces, but we do have a lot of available digital and analog watch faces also available in the support app. Okay, going back, we have the display here. I've already showed this to you earlier. We have auto lock for the screen display. If you want to turn it off or automatically turned off after several minutes or seconds. You have always on display. Okay, or automatically turning on your Smartband. Okay, we're not pretty sure with this one when you are not wearing it or if you want to wear it. Okay, raise to wake also have vibration, do not disturb mode, auto detect, app layout mode. You have icon mode or list mode. Okay, let's go back. I do hope they have a somewhat like a button here. It's much easier to navigate than just trying to swipe it off or swipe it on the other side, on the right side, to return to the main menu here. And about the band. Okay, so these are the menus and the features of the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. Okay, so far I think there's a lot of options available in the support app. We will pair it again with the support app and see what are the additional functions and features available in the wearable. Okay, so I'm going to try first the heart rate here and we'll see whether it works or not. Okay, I'm going to wear it and see whether it works or not. The heart rate here, I'll show you a demo. Okay, so we have here heart rate. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now it is automatically monitoring our heart rate. We do have a 77 here. Okay, is it accurate or close to the result? We do have here the Huawei Band 7. So let's see. Let's try to have a comparison for the heart rate only. Okay. If there are difference, of course, it should be minimal. Okay. So as you can see here, it's almost the same result. Almost close. Okay, so far seems like it works. Okay, and so far, okay, based on the feel here, is comfortable to wear, lightweight, and the display is good. Okay, 1.64-inch AMOLED screen display. Okay, I just don't like the metallic finish here. Okay, maybe the black color is much better compared to this one. Okay, again, let's have a look at the design here. Okay, this is your Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.